I wake up early every day. I wake up early every day. I make my bed after waking up. I make my bed after waking up. I brush my teeth every morning. I brush my teeth every morning. I take a shower before breakfast. I take a shower before breakfast. I drink a glass of water. I drink a glass of water. I eat breakfast with my family. I eat breakfast with my family. I go to work by bus. I go to work by bus. I check my phone in the morning. I check my phone in the morning. I start my work at 9. I start my work at 9. I drink coffee during my break. I drink coffee during my break. I answer my emails every day. I answer my emails every day.
I eat lunch at noon. I eat lunch at noon. I talk to my friends online. I talk to my friends online. I go shopping after work. I go shopping after work. I buy some food for dinner. I buy some food for dinner. I cook dinner in the evening. I cook dinner in the evening. I watch TV after dinner. I watch TV after dinner. I clean my room on weekends. I clean my room on weekends. I listen to music at home. I listen to music at home. I read a book before bed. I read a book before bed. I call my family every night. I call my family every night. I charge my phone before sleeping. I charge my phone before sleeping. I set my alarm for tomorrow. I set my alarm for tomorrow. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. I sleep well every night. I sleep well